Hello, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Now let me open the training. Okay, so training course. Okay, so here you can see the 8 days. Here is the first topic is the model inheritance. After that, view inheritance. Okay, today we will see model inheritance and view inheritance, how to use and what is the use and where we can use, how to use in the code. Okay, so let's start. Do not waste more time. Okay, so first tell you what I'm doing. Okay, go to the sales module. So this is the default module which is created in the Odoo add-ons by default. Okay, basically go to the apps and install. Okay, active the module. Once active the module, this module will be so this way. Okay, so I want to add one field in this object, like here is the customer, second is the order date, and second after that the payment reference. So I want to add one more field in existing models. Okay, so how we can, so let's, we need to first inherit the existing module. After that we can add, and how we will show in the front view. Okay, so let's do it. Go to the PyCharm. I'm inside the PyCharm. Go to the add-ons. Here is the add-ons. See, student management modules. So now I'm creating one more file here, which is called sales order. Okay, now enter. Here import the Odoo, import models and fields and API. After that, I want to inherit sales class. Sale order. After that, enter and inherit sale dot order object. Why am I right here the sale dot order? Why? Because of this model name is the sale order. So here I'm inherit the existing module here and indentation correct. Control Shift V. Okay. Now I want to add here one more field like sale order reference. I want to add one field here. Sale order reference. Okay. Sale reference. Ref now name field. This field will be character type. Character. After that, passing the parameter is a string sale ref. Okay. Need to link with in internal init file from dot import sale order. Okay. Once I link this file in the internal init files, after that upgrade the module and simply refresh. Once I refresh, coming the error is saying the sale order module does not exist in the registry. Why? Why is coming this error? Because this object is created another model where is created. This is created inside the sale module here. See my mouse cursor. Okay, there is the add-ons. Inside the add-ons module name is the sale. Is the sale module where is the created name is equal to sale dot order. Okay, need to add in the dependency sale module name. Sorry, need to link here, right, sale. After that need to run. Okay. Once I run and refresh the page, see my my field is not coming here because I'm not add in the views. I'm not inherit the views right now. Only inherit models. If you can see here, sale reference, my field is coming or not. Here you can see my field is coming, but this field is not showing in the form view because I'm not inherit the form views. Okay, let's inherit the form view. Click on the developer mode. Go to the edit view and this field. This external ID need to copy and Control Shift V, search in the XML, and anyone inherit code is copy. Let Once I copy, let me then explain. Okay. Now need to create new one more file. This file name will be sayloader. Sayloader view.xml. Okay. Inside the Odoo starting tag Odoo and paste here. So now inherit sale, rename the ID this field after that. So inherit ID. So this ID will be pasted in the inherited line reference attribute string. Okay. After that, where we want to add this field, where we want to show. Okay, I want to show this field after the payment term id copy payment term id and paste it here. I want to add this uh, sale reference field after the payment term id. Okay, let's now this field need to link in the manifest file. Go to the manifest and link here. Okay, after that upgrade the module. Once I upgrade the module, go to the sale order and refresh the page. My field is coming, so I can write here something else. Okay, so okay, then save. Okay, or you can add this field by the xpath. Okay, if I'm adding through the field, or after that I'm adding the xpath through the xpath and expr. This is the syntax. First, where we can. Okay, I want to add after the this field. So first is start. The starting tag is the seat. Inside the seat, one group name this. Inside this group name, after the this group name, this will be this. Okay. Inside the I want to add this field inside the this group. Okay. So first call seat. Inside the seat group is group name this group. Inside the group there is the two group. First group is the parameter partner detail, second is the order detail. I want to add this field group in order detail group. The name is this one. After the position after. Okay, after that I'm add here. Now I will comment above. So once I upgrade the module and go back to the sale order and refresh, so my field coming here. Okay, so I want to add this previously. Okay, so go to the gain form and go to the gain form. See inside this group, one field is the payment term id. So here field at great name, field name will be payment term id. Okay, so go to the home and refresh. Now my field coming previously after the payment term. Okay, so here you can use inherit. Okay, so I may inherit the views and also inherit the sale order. Sale order, you can inherit the models like this way, and also you can inherit the views with inherited id. Okay, so this is the two topics. If you have any confusion, you can write the comment box. One more thing, this is the developer extension. Click on the extension and manage extension and go to the Chrome. My system is not linked with data. Let me link with data. So it's link. Now refresh. So here search debug, debug, then enter. So this one is the Odoo developer mode. Simple install and pin here. Okay. So thank you.